First, you'll create an Edpuzzle account. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll want to do is set up your classes. Click on My Classes. Click on Add a new class. Choose Google Classroom. You'll pick the classes you want to import and click Import Classes. This will import all of your students. Next, go to Content. Search for the topic you're interested in. Lots of videos will come up. You'll scroll through and find the one you like. You can preview it, and if you like it, choose to make a copy. Now, to find where the video is saved, you'll click on Content, My Content, and there's the video. Click on it to open it up. Choose Edit. You can trim the video like this, and you can add questions. You usually will add questions as you're watching the video. There's 3 types of questions: multiple choice, open-ended, or a note. You'll type your question and your answers. You'll choose the correct answer by clicking the green checkbox. If you click more than one checkbox, students will have to choose both answers to get it correct. When you're done, click Save. If you want to change the location of a question, you can drag it along the timeline. Just drop it wherever you want it. You might want to insert a note. This could include notes that they need to write down or something they need to think about. When you're done adding questions and notes, click Finish. Now you're ready to assign it to a class. Click Assign. Choose the class you want to assign it to. You can add a due date if you want, and click Assign. Then click Post on Google Classroom. The students will see that they have a new assignment and they need to go to Edpuzzle to complete it. Your gradebook will automatically create the assignment, but you'll have to go back into Edpuzzle to look at their grades and transfer them over. Back in Edpuzzle, you'll find their grades by clicking on the gradebook. It will tell you how much time they spent on the assignment and what their final score was. There is an option to update the grades in Google Classroom, but some teachers have reported that this feature doesn't always work.